Hello everyone, if you want to know how you can create an Apple account, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an Apple account for yourself easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to iCloud.com and here you're going to click on to sign in, and then you should have this option here saying create Apple account. Click on that, and here you're going to put in your details. You're going to put in your email address. You're going to put in your password. Make sure it follows these rules. So it should have 8 characters, one number, one uppercase and lowercase letter, and also a special character like a symbol. And there you have it. You're going to put in that password here again. And once you put in your password, you're going to click onto the country options. You're going to select your country and you're going to put in your phone number. Once you do that, you're going to click on to verify with the option that you want. So you can verify with a text message or you can verify with a phone call. And then here, you're going to put in captcha. You're going to click continue on here. Once you click on continue, you'll have successfully created your Apple account. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to create your Apple account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.